Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. If I'm not my usual self, it's because I'm extremely irritated. Just trying to transfer a prescription and I'm just getting nothing but jerked around, and not even in a good way. So, but, gotta forge on. So, Plain Ole Chuck asked a really interesting question last week. He said, whatever happened to Feathersticks? And I thought, you know, that's a great question. I haven't seen anyone really do Feathersticks much lately. I mean, maybe some of the big YouTube channels, but I don't watch them anymore because, you know, if they're not watching me, I'm not. Why should I give them the business and watch them? So I thought we'd do some Feathersticks. Now, I gotta admit right off the bat, I am not very practiced with Feathersticks, but yeah, you just gotta do what you can. I'm gonna be using the more Garberg today to do them. Figured why not? It's a new knife, so it's gotta, you know, hasn't really seen much dirt time. Although I did have it out last weekend, and you know, video's coming. So I'll get busy with this, and we'll see what we can get going. Oh, and first, let's hop to this week's channel shout out, which I have not shot yet, and we'll put them in the description. And also, I did a remembrance video yesterday for Arabin Outdoors. Did kind of a tribute burn for him, and if you missed it, I'll link it in below as well. If you hadn't heard or didn't see the video, he passed away last Saturday. Very sad. And yeah, so those links will be down in the description. Alright, before I do the drawing, I just wanted to say I had a buddy of mine reach out to me saying he was going through some stuff. Now, he asked me not to say his name, but I'll just say, hope all goes well, brother. Let's dive into the shout out. Alright, let's go ahead and draw this week's channel shout out. Getting a little low on names here. I think I'm missing a few I need to add. Some of these are clumped together. That's not good. Do a proper shake. Well, I guess we'll do a double shout out. Why not? Alright, we got Mark KratzMC. Awesome dude. Just watched his newest video today. And we've got Wituik Backcountry and Workshop. I'll make sure to, I may be saying that wrong, so if I am, I apologize, but I'll be sure to put that in the description. I think I know who it is, but I think I may just be saying it wrong. It's actually a really good channel, so cool. Get to the burn. Okay, I just realized I didn't have a baton for this piece. I was on an outing. In fact, this was my baton from the other day's outing. You can see all the knife marks on it. So I'm gonna break this down real quick. I'm just gonna use a 2x4. And could that be any louder? Dang. Alright. I don't normally show the processing of the wood, but you know, with feather sticking, I kind of have to. I think it's like a rule. I do admit my feather sticking technique is not the best. Let's see, let's try the backside. Yeah, gonna have to practice. Alright. This might be a little bit too big. So there we go. Back it up with a few shavings. What are we at? Oh, 3 minutes. Alright. At the Dominator. Give this guy a go. Camera got moved a bit. Well, she's not pretty, but I got it going. Is it gonna stay going though? It kind of died on me. And the wood should be, oh, there we go. Yeah, I just need a little, wow, my feather stick needs work. I will admit that all day, every day. I have to get out there and practice. Alright, well, there we go. Wasn't pretty, but I got her done. So as long as the end result is what you wanted. I could get a fire going with that. Wow. 6 minutes 45. Yeah, I need to practice. Big time. Maybe that'll be my next outing. I'll do a little off. I'll try to do some off-camera practicing. Just get a little bit better at it. Local dogs going nuts. I think I just heard something in the woods. It could be barking at a deer. Or a squatch. There we go. Alright, so pretty rough on the feathersticks this week. Yeah, gotta practice. Still got a little ember going. But it's old Peter soon. Well, anyway, as always, and again, I tip my hat to our fine servicemen and women out there, and our veterans, and even our new recruits. Doing something I'm clearly no shape to do myself. I appreciate you all. Let's not forget also 22 a day. The links will be down in the description for the suicide prevention hotline, the phone number, and then also the Mission 22, which I put in pretty much every video now. And with that, I hope you all have a great weekend. I hope you enjoy the videos coming up. I hope you get out there and practice and maybe work on your own feathersticks. I'd like to see some videos, actually. Mine were rough, but maybe yours would be better. So, yeah. Have a great day.